Hello, my name is Melinda Anggraini, NIM 6424502A. The usage of modal in request word. Definition of modal verb. A modal verb is an auxiliary helping verb that expresses a particular quality of a verb. Several modal verbs are used to make requests, express idea like ability, permission, and asking for assistance. Purpose of using the modal. The purpose of using the modal in request word is to 1. Express an ability, 2. Express an possibility, 3. Express an permission, 4. Make a request, and 5. Asking for something or assistance. Modals include words like can, could, may, will, and would. And for more specific information, it will be continued at the next slide. A. Request with can. The modal of can be used with all subject I, you, they, we, she, he, each. Also, can is the most and often used between friends. Characters are family. Here are the example of requests with can in positive question. 1. Can I have some of the vegetables? 2. Can we join you for some cake? 3. Can Sarah borrow your shovel? B. Request with will. Modal of will has the same meaning and purpose as the modal of can, but it is mostly used for second person requests. Here are the example of requests with will. 1. Will you take Jenny these vegetables? 2. Will you come here for a minute? 3. Will you check my homework? C. Request with could. Modal of could is the past form of modal can, but it's a more polite verb and often used for formal situation in the context of a request. Then here are the example of requests with could. 1. Could you help me for a minute please? 2. Could I leave a bit early today? 3. Could you pass me the potatoes? D. Request with would. Modal of would is used to make a more polite request and show a high level of politeness, usually used in professional or formal contexts. The example: 1. Would you please email the document to me? 2. Would you help me with my project? 3. Would you mean closing the window? A. Request with may. May is often used in very formal or official requests, especially in work contexts or more serious requests for permission. For the example: 1. May I speak with the boss now please? 2. May we enter the meeting room now? Negative question. If we using modals of request to ask someone not to do something, we can place the word of not before the verb. The example: 1. Would you not speak so loudly? 2. Can you not make so much noise? 3. Will you not spend all the money? And 4. Could you not smoke here? Possible answer of request. A. Impossible positive answer. In accepting the request, we can say 1. Yes. 2. Certainly. 3. Of course. 4. I will be glad to. And 5. My pleasure. B. Impossible negative answer. In refusing the request, we can say 1. No. 2. Sorry I can't. 3. I'd like to but I can't. 4. I'd love to but I am busy right now. Other than that, modal of request for asking a permission and a offers express a red lines to do or to give something, and permission is approval or allowance to do something. The word please makes any offer and permission in a polite request. Offers. For the example offers with can, may, and would: 1. Can I help you? 2. Might I get you something to drink? 3. Would you like some help? Permission. The example permission with can, could, and may: 1. Can I get my location? 2. Could I have dessert now? 3. May we use the computers? Conclusion. After learning about today's materials, we can conclude the modal verb is a verb that expresses a particular quality of word that can be used to make a request, express ability, possibility, and others. Basic modals are include word of can, called with, would, and may. That it's all, and thank you. Hi, let me introduce myself. I am Melinda Anggraini from the Faculty of Management. In my opinion, the regulation preventing smoking in the campus area is good. In addition to maintaining health and the environment in the campus area, we can also implement a healthy lifestyle. Smoking has a significant negative impact on health, both for active and passive smokers. Cigarette smoke can cause various serious diseases, including heart diseases, cancer, and respiratory problems, and also cigarette butts are wasted that is difficult to decompose and contains toxic substances that can pollute the cell and air. Cigarette smoke can interfere with the comfort and health of others who do not smoke. Students are expected to be role model for society, and smoking can provide a negative example for the younger generation. Therefore, it is important for campus to have clear policies regarding smoking, including a ban on smoking in certain area, providing special area for smoking, and education about the dangers of smoking. That's all I can say. Thank you.